Welcome back, dear students of class 4th in your maths class. So, in our last video, we have already completed our exercise number 10th A. In this video, we are going to start our exercise number 10th B. Okay, so let's have a quick revision that what we have completed in our exercise number 10th A. Fractions, we know very well about fractions. Then equivalent fractions, after making them simplest form they should be equal. Okay, and knowing about the numerator and denominator, and like and unlike fractions. What are like fractions? By we have to change them into the like fractions. And what are like fractions? Whose denominator are same. Okay, and unlike fractions are just opposite whose denominator are not same. Okay, so let's move towards our exercise number 10th B. Here we will study or discuss something more about fractions. Okay, some more operations regarding fractions. So you can open your page number 85, exercise number 10th B, and this exercise you can do in your book only. Okay, much more space is given, so there you can do. So let's start. This is our first C part, last part we will take of every question. So in this part, compare the fractions by shading and fill in greater than, lesser than, or equal to. Okay. So first of all, what we have to do is, here 4 upon 6, that means totally there are 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out of that we have to fill 4. Okay, so first of all we have to shade 1, 2, 3 and 4. Shade it properly. Okay, in 4. Then in our next, totally 6 are given, out of that 3 we have to shade. So 1, 2, 3, any 3 you can shade according to your choice. Okay, so first part is completed. Now in second part it is asked that fill in with greater than, equal to, or lesser than sign. So here we can see these are in the like fractions, and now it becomes very easy as they are in like fraction. So which is greater, 4 or 3? It is very easy. It is 4. 4 is greater, the sign will be like this. Okay, the larger mouth will be open in this side. 4 upon 6 is greater than 3 upon 6. Okay, now moving towards our F part. Here it is also same, but what is the difference? First of all, first part, out of 5 we have to shade 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, shade it properly. Then out of 7, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now see the main difference. Numerator are same in this. 3 and 3 means opposite fraction or opposite part is same. Earlier, in earlier questions, what we are seeing that denominator are same, but in this numerator are same. So opposite is happening. So here also opposite will happen. Actually, which is smaller. Actually, that will be the greater. Means 5 is smaller, but it is actually greater than 7. Okay. I think that is clear to you. In next question, it will be very clear in second part. Okay, so come on towards I part. Here first of all we have to shade 5 out of 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to shade this one properly, this one like that. Then 4 out of 5 here. Okay, we have shaded. Now what we have to do, we have to compare them, which is greater. Now these are not in the like fractions, neither the denominator nor the numerator are same. So in this condition what we have to do, we have to do the cross multiplication. Likewise 5 upon 9 is given, 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5 is given to us. We have to cross multiply. 5 fives are 25 and then 9 fours are 36. So which is greater, 25 or 36? This is greater. So here this one. This sign will come. Okay. It is clear to you now? Okay. Now it is completed. Now see the next one. Here our first part is completed. In second part, fill in with greater than, smaller than or equal to. Okay. So this we have to fill here. Now different type of questions are given here. So D, E. These two lines we will see of each and every part. So second D and E we will see. All are same. So here like fractions, denominator are same. So normal one means which is greater, that will be greater. So 9 is greater than 7. So 9 upon 11 is greater than 7 upon 11. Okay. And in this E part also 11 upon 13 is greater than 9 upon 13. Now see the next question, third question, D part. Now in this numerator are same. So in our first question also I already told you which is smaller, actually that will be the greater. So here 8 upon 10 is smaller than 8 upon 15. So this is greater. And in this also which is greater, 12 upon 17 is greater than 12 upon 19. Understood? And here in the third D part we can see that it is not in the like fraction, not the numerator, nor neither the denominator are same. So what we have to do, we have to cross multiply in this, means 7 upon 9, 8 upon 11. Cross multiply we have to do, okay, like this. So 11 7 is 77, 9 8 is 72, which is greater, 77. So 77 is greater in this, okay. 7 upon 9 is greater than 8 upon 11, okay. So same here in this question, here also same, okay, you can do yourself. Now coming towards our next question, here D part of this fifth D, okay. So first of all we have to see in this mixed fraction is given, okay. Mixed means in the whole form it is given 3 whole 3 upon 5 as well as 3 whole 4 upon 7, okay. So first of all we have to see integral part. Integral part is this one, whole one. So both are 3, both are equal, okay. So now second step is to see these, okay. So 3 upon 5 is remaining and 4 upon 7 is remaining. Now these are becoming simple as our earlier questions. We have to cross multiply. 7 3s are 21 and 5 4s are 20. Which is greater? 21. That means this is greater, okay. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now coming towards our last part also, it is same, you can do this now, okay. Now I part of the same, see 13 upon 6 and 3 a whole 1 upon 6. See its integral part is 1 and its is 3. So it is clear that it is greater than this. 3 whole 1 upon 6 is greater than 13 upon 6, okay. Coming towards our last J part. First of all, integral part we have to see, both are same, 9 and 9 is same, okay. So 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 8 is remaining. Again we have to cross multiply. 8 3s are 24 and 6 4s are 24, okay. Both are equal, that means in this case equal to sign will come here. Both are equal, okay. So I hope you have understood this one. Rest remaining part you have to do in the homework. All are same. Now you can turn the page on page number 86. Now in this question, what you have to do? Ring the smallest and tick the, ring the greatest and tick the smallest. See, last part as usual. So B part we are taking of this, sixth B. See what we have to do? We have to ring the greatest and tick the smallest. greatest. Find out the greatest. We know that this is a like fraction. Now it is very simple to identify the greatest one. Which is greater? Yes. In this, 8 upon 7 is greater. And now we have to identify the smallest one. So smallest one is 2 upon 7. That we have to tick. Okay. Now, seeing E part of this same question, it is in the mixed fraction. So again we have to identify the greatest number and we have to ring it. So greatest one is, this is 2, 7, 6, 3, 4. Which is greater? 7 whole 3 upon 8 is greater. So without doing any calculation we can identify that which one is greatest. Okay. Now smallest one is 2 whole 5 upon 8. Okay. 2 whole 5 upon 8 is greater. I think it is very clear to you. Now, coming towards our next question, which is seventh one, arrange in ascending order. This is seventh. This is seventh B part. Okay, this is seventh B part. All the work you have to do in the book. Enough space is given. So in this, arrange in ascending order. Ascending order we have to arrange. Ascending means smallest, then greater, and then the greatest one. Okay, smallest to greatest. Now, seeing which is the smallest, we can see 1 upon 9 is smallest. It will come on the first number. Then this is on the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So in this order we have to write like 9 upon 2 upon 9, 5 upon 9, then 3 upon 9, then 5 upon 9, then 8 upon 9, 7 upon 9, and then finally 8 upon 9. Okay, this you can do yourself. Now see, the next question. It is clear to you now? Okay, moving towards our eighth part. Eighth question is here. Eighth B. Write in descending order, just opposite of this. Greatest, then small. Okay, means like this. So B part, greatest we have to find out. It is in the like fraction. So what is the first one? Find out the greatest one. It is 14 upon 9. Then second one is 12 upon 19. Then 9 upon 19. Then 7 upon 19. This is fourth and this is fifth. Okay, you can write now. Okay,